In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Deal app on Android. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes of your time. By the end of this video, you will have the Deal app installed on your device, ready for use. Let's jump right in and start with the first step. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on this icon will open the store, where you can access millions of apps. This is important because the Google Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android, ensuring that you get the latest and safest version of the software. Once the Play Store is open, you will see various categories and suggestions which can be quite helpful. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Deal. The search bar is prominently displayed and easy to find. As you type, you may see suggestions pop up below. This feature helps you quickly find the app you are looking for. Once you finish typing, you can either tap the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. This step is essential as it directs you specifically to the Deal app, making the rest of the process easier. After you've entered Deal, you will see a list of search results appear on the screen. Now select the official Deal Global Payroll and HR app developed by Deal Inc. Look for the app that has a logo identifying it as the official version. It's important to choose the right app to avoid downloading any unofficial or potentially harmful versions. You will recognize it by its distinct logo and the name displayed clearly. Selecting the official app ensures that you will receive updates and support directly from the developers, which is crucial for security and functionality. Once you tap on the correct app, the screen will display more details about it. Next up, tap Install. This button is usually bright green and easy to spot. Tapping Install will initiate the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a moment. During this time, you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This is a crucial step because it officially begins the installation of the app on your device. After the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message, and the Install button will change to Open, allowing you to launch the app immediately. Now that you have successfully installed the Deal app, you can open it right from the Google Play Store by tapping the Open button. Alternatively, you can find the Deal app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Opening the app for the first time will allow you to set it up according to your preferences. This is an exciting moment as you get to explore all the features the app offers for payroll and HR management. You're now ready to start using the Deal app, which can greatly enhance your experience in managing global payroll. You have completed the steps to download and install the Deal app on your Android device. This simple process is designed to get you started quickly and efficiently. If you followed along, you should now have the app ready to use. Thank you for watching and enjoy using the Deal app to streamline your global payroll and HR needs.